Thanks for staying with us. A federal high court in Owerri has affirmed Senator Duoye Diri as the validly elected candidate of the People's Democratic Party in the elective Congress held in September 2019.
In a judgment which lasted about 2 hours, Justice Tijani Ringim said the plaintiff failed to prove his case. Over Timi Alaibe reports.
The strength of Timi Alaibe's case is the participation of 8 local government chairmen, their vice, 105 councillors, and others, making up the number of 315 as statutory and ad hoc delegates at the elective Congress of the People's Democratic Party on the 3rd of September 2019. Alluding to the 90 days authentication period, he seeks a nullification of the exercise, demanding for the conduct of a fresh one. After hearing the matter, where both parties failed to call for oral evidence, Justice Tijani Ringim ruled that the suit was incompetent and futile, thereby dismissing the case for want of a breach of the Constitution of the PDP and the electoral guideline.
The learned trial judge has upheld the firepower of the submissions of the defendants and has given judgment in favor of the defendant, dismissing the case of the plaintiff in its entirety. The judgment is inspirational, the judgment is sagacious, the judgment is righteous, and the judgment is scrupulous.
We would communicate same to our counsel, who will decide on the next step to take.
Does it look like you're going to appeal?
That cannot be said. That's the decision of the clients. Our job is to advise them appropriately.
We must commend the patience of the court, to determine this matter despite having been assigned this case within a very short time, and to ensure that this matter was determined within the statutory period allowed. For us as parties, we are satisfied with the decision of the court.
The pre-election matter is an intra-party affair. Some would like to be settled out of court.
When you are a party member, you submit yourself to the laws and rules of the party. You bring your complaint to your party that certain things are going wrong. You be good and patient and humble enough to take decision of the party. When the party has considered your complaint and handed out their decision, you have to comply with the decision.
It's a matter between brothers, and I'm part of that relationship. And so it's to call on Mr. Timi Alaibe to please sheath the sword, join your brother who is now governor. Let's work together the way we have done before and ensure that Bayelsa gets development from this administration.
The coming weeks would determine if this would be the end of the final litigation surrounding the Bayelsa governorship election. Timi Alaibe, TVC News, Owerri.